Hi there, guys. I am coming back at you with another haul video, as you can tell by the title. And so I've got quite a bit of stuff here. So let's get with it. All right. First, as you can see, I have these. I got these from Amazon. They are really alcohol inks. And this is what it looks like on the inside. And I really can't wait to try some of these white ones. I saw a video where someone had a white one, but I can't remember what video it was. But I'm going to experiment with these myself. And it comes with 20 inks. And some of these white ones are the same. But I can hardly wait to get into them and try them out. Okay. This is... I got this from Amazon, and these are chunky glitter mixes, where chunky glitter, and it's a set of 12, and I got this from Amazon also. You can see the colors and the designs, I think. I'm not going to open it right now because I want to make some mixes, but I need some more glitters also. Okay, let me see what else. Okay, I got this from Amazon also. It's a grip and tip nail polish holder. And this is what it looks like. And this is what I purchased it for because I saw someone else in a video. And you all know I do have my little lamp. You know, my little lamp right here. I have that for curing my base gel when I do my nails and I use base gel. But I wanted to try this because, like I said, I saw someone else doing this. And I say, wow, that would be nice because what you can do is turn it on like that. And put your finger under there. And it'll hold that. So I said I was going to try this. And it looks quite nice. Okay, let's see what else we have. Oh my gosh. From Amazon. Okay. I have these right here. And they came with these little pickup tweezers, which I will not be using for this. But you get 3 in a pack. You get the stars. And you get the different glitter shapes. And you get this one, which has round and stars also. And you know I'm using those for my nails. Okay. Some more things I got from Amazon were these. They came 4 in a pack, 4 to a set, and they're these little. I use as dapping dishes. I don't use them for my acrylic liquid, my monomer, but I do use them like for alcohol, acetone, and stuff like that. If I'm doing a gel, you know, something with gel, and I need to, you know, wipe off something, or even with the alcohol inks, I can use these. And you have this one, which I love this one. This is my favorite one. I like this one of all. And if you can see, it has a little matte bottom on it. Only thing is, these lids don't stay very well. I like this one. I'm not crazy about this one, but I just wanted it because of the colors of them. They have colors to them, and so I just wanted them for the colors. Y'all know I like to get stuff just so I can have it. I like this one. This is one of my favorites also, this heart-shaped one. And it has a black bottom to it, and the heart shape lid. And this one, this is not one of my favorites, but I'll probably use this one and this one first because I don't care for them. But has the bottom on it. And it stays that way. Okay. Now let's see. Something else that I have from Amazon is this brush. I don't know if it says. It just says Kalinsky. Size 14 brush. And y'all know I got a thing for brushes. But it and I like that. It's nice and slim. And it's a nice big brush. And it has, has the little glue that keeps it stuck together. And it is crimped. It comes already crimped. So I can't wait. I'll probably use this one when I do my next set of nails. I could possibly stick it back in here, but I hate doing that because it opens your bristles, where you have bristles that flyaways. Okay, let me see, what else do I have from Amazon? I want to make sure I get everything Amazon out of the way. I ordered this, and I'm going to open it. And this is the name of it. It's the Boulex 7-piece nail drill bits. And this is what it looks like. Has a little brush. And it has, I like that one. That's the main one I like. And I also wanted one of these around here. I've got plenty of these with the little ball on it. And I'm not crazy about that shape either. But I like the fine drill bit. So that'll come in handy. I also ordered these from Pana. These are from Amazon. And they're Pana. This one is the 5-in-1 extra fine drill bit. I like these 5-in-1 drill bits, guys. I really like these. I like these more than I like the round top, like that one. But I like that one because it's a fine one. And it's smooth top. I like that. Safety. These seem to be more safety. And this one is a fine. So this one with the yellow is extra fine. And this one is the fine. And they're both 5-in-1s. No, you can't see it. There you go. They're both 5-in-1s. Okay. Let's see what else I have. I got this in. Actually, I got it in today. And this is the 240 pieces of stiletto tips. Let's see if I can, hate to try to cut around. And it comes with these tip cutters. And it also comes with, I can get them out. It comes with some files, a couple of files. And I will make some use of these. But these are the tips. They are the super long stilettos. And I'm just going to go ahead and open this pack. And these have the numbers. Oh yeah, they have the numbers on them. If you can see. Can you see that number 2 on there? And they are the long ones. So I can put these in my packs because they are numbered. So I can and there are 240 altogether. So all that came from Amazon. Now I got this. These are glitters from Enailcouture. These what Enailcouture is. They come with the little lid thing on them. And I'm not going to try to lift it right now, but gosh, that is gorgeous, y'all. Oh, look at there. Man, I can't wait to do some nails with those. Yeah. Now you can see the glitter. I'll do it that way. And this one. There's that one. Don't want it to have a glare on it. Oh, those are gorgeous. That's gorgeous. Oh. Let me see. And here's this one. Oh. And there's that one. Whatever. Oh, look at there. Now that's nice, guys. That is really nice. Oh, looky. That is gorgeous silver. Oh. That is that one. If you can see it. Beautiful. Okay, oh yeah, and I got one more thing from Enailcouture, and I got this. This is the new bottle for the shiny top coat, and it's wonderful. And you know, I got like, I think 2 other bottles of shiny, the older bottles, but you know, I just wanted this one because it has this beautiful crown on it and this long, oh, it's just gorgeous. All right, I got this here from Dipped in Pretty, and these are the Louis Vuittons, and this is the designer charms that you can put on your nails, and it has different ones: Louis Vuitton, Yves Saint Laurent, Dior, Gucci. Just gorgeous. Chanel, liking these. All right, and at last but not least, I ordered this super big container of Artesian is Flex Gel Ultra Crystal Clear Gel Nail Powder. And I ordered it from the Nail Superstore. And it's 24 ounces. It's a very big bottle. I mean, yeah, big container of clear powder. Because I ordered this one before, Flex Gel. And I wanted this size, but they were out of it. And I left my email so that when it came back in, they would let me know. So Once it came back in, I ordered this one. This one is the 12-ounce size. And really, this is a pretty big size right here. But I liked it so much, I wanted to get it in a bigger size. So, I got it. And I will be back with you in a day or so with some kind of a nail video, guys. All right. Bye. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And come on over to my Instagram and follow me on my Instagram, guys. Okay. Bye-bye.